Hopefully this will help you while you're going through your circulatory system information. I'm going to read this out loud to you. So here we go. The functions of the circulatory system is to carry materials all through the body. The main parts of the circulatory system are the heart, the blood vessels, and the blood. Blood carries food and oxygen to all the cells of the body as it is pumped through the blood vessels by the heart. The circulatory system also helps carry away waste products such as carbon dioxide. The heart is a very hard-working pump that is made up of muscle cells. It has 2 upper chambers or hollow areas called atria and 2 lower chambers called ventricles. The atrium and the ventricles on the left side of the heart receive the oxygen-rich blood from the lungs and carry it to all parts of the body. The atrium and ventricle on the right side receive the oxygen-poor blood from the body and send it to the lungs where it can get rid of the carbon dioxide and receive oxygen. Then, the whole cycle can repeat itself. There are 3 main types of blood vessels. The largest blood vessels are the arteries, which carry the blood away from the heart. The arteries branch into smaller and smaller blood vessels until they are so tiny that only 1 cell at a time can pass through them. These tiny blood cells are called capillaries. The capillaries join together into larger blood vessels called veins, which carry the blood back to our heart. The liquid part of the blood is called plasma. It makes up a little over half of the blood. The rest of the blood is made up of different kinds of solid particles such as red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. The red blood cells carry the oxygen and the carbon dioxide in the body. The white blood cells help the body attack germs and fight diseases. The platelets help the blood to form a clot to seal injury to a blood vessel if there is a cut or a wound. Here's a little more. Blood are getting carried away. Blood is pumped by the heart to all parts of the body through tubes called blood vessels. Blood is made up of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Red blood cells are disc-shaped and carry oxygen to all parts of the body. Here are the red blood cells, all these little discs. White blood cells attack germs and fight diseases like my cold. The white blood cells are down here. Platelets are needed for blood to clot so that a cut stops bleeding. The platelets are these little tiny guys right here. Plasma is the liquid part of the blood. Plasma is all the red stuff in between. Plasma is made mostly of water. So in the diagram below, you see that the pictures are labeled. We want you to color the red blood cells red, color the white blood cells orange, color the platelets pink, and color the plasma yellow. You could either take a picture of this and put it in your Notability to do that, or you could just use the PDF that you have in Notability. All right, I hope this helped.